In this video we're going to take a look at the old is gold challenge on HackTheBox. It's an easy miscellaneous challenge and the description says old algorithms are not a waste but are really precious. So let's download the files. I completed this apparently just over a week ago and yet I don't remember it. Let's see. Let's see if it comes back to me here. Okay, so PDF file, old is gold, let's take a look at it. So PDF file, we can do our usual checks on it anyway. Let's just verify the file type. We can see PDF document 1.6, password protected. We can try to run strings on it. Let's check for strings greater than 10. And presumably not going to see too much because of the encryption. Okay. Let's try to open it up then. Document old is gold requires a password. Okay, just say gold. Alright, so potentially we could crack the password for it. Let's see what we have here with PDF as well. Now we do have a PDFCrack. PDFCrack-H. Okay, so we can pass in a word list. Alright, let's check. Old algorithms are not a waste but are really precious. See, that doesn't really sound to me like it's going to be PDFCrack, but what we'll do is let's start running PDFCrack in the background anyway. Let's give it word list equals user share word lists. Okay, sec lists. Alright, weird. Let me just passwords. I'm going to do probable top 12,000. Take the space out here. And then presumably it's just going to take the file, yeah? Give user password to speed up break-in. Owner password. Okay, so there could be two passwords for it. Run quietly. Try permutating passwords. No, that's it. We're going to try that then. So pass it the old is gold. PDF error. File is not found. Home. Could not find password. That went very quickly. That doesn't sound. Let me. I hate not being able to use autocomplete here. Right, what else have we got? Let's do dark code. Dark code. It's not a PDF. It's not a PDF. Okay. Just make sure it's not the file name. Not a valid PDF. Alright. Let's but it says it's not a valid PDF, but whenever I remove that space from the word list option, it now seems to be trying to crack it. You see, it could not find a password out of those 12,000, but the dark-code file is bigger. So let's leave that running. Let me see as well here. PDF. What other tools do we have? What else do we have here? PDF ID. Old is gold. Okay, not really telling us too much. PDF info. Incorrect password. Yeah, okay. Yeah, alright, so obviously we need the password first. Let's just try and run anyway, bin walk, just out of interest. Yep, no use at all. Alright, let's see how this. Could not find a password. Ah. going to give it a bigger word list. I know what I should have given it. User share word lists crack station. Okay, leave that running and let's see what else we can do here. So we'll go and do some research and see what other tools are available to us. So we'll search here for PDF, CTF. Yeah, we'll say tools. PDF file analysis. Let's check this here as well for forensics. It's not in the forensics category, but obviously it's PDF file analysis. When exploring for hidden data. Now, most of this isn't, or a lot of this isn't going to be available to us because it's encrypted or password protected. Let's take a look at this. This gives us like a cheat sheet of the structure of PDF document and some tricks in terms of how data can be encoded, I guess. So this could be potentially used for extracting data, but again, we kind of want to get the PDF file open first, I would say. Okay, what else do we have here? PDF file analysis. This actually links the same. Okay, it's just a reference from there. So we can return to our PDFCrack and see that it's going through 60,000 words per second average speed, but it's still taking a while to crack. What we might want to do is try and do, as we did on our last challenge, we did zip to John. We might want to try and do PDF to John. PDF to locate PDF to John. This is just a script, so let's try and run that with, presumably just with the old is gold. And yep, there we go. So let's do that to output.txt as we did last time. And then, as we did last time as well, we'll do John -- word list, and we're going to give this the same user share word list crack station. I'm just going back to put just wanted to get the autocomplete there. If anybody knows another way to do that, it would save me a bit of time. I'm sure there's a better way. Then run that with the output.txt, which has our hash for the PDF. And let's see if it's any quicker. Let's actually go back as well and have a look at our password crack, PDF crack. This is still going through 65,000 words per second on average. It's taken a while. John's also taken a while. Alright, well, let's leave these to run and see which one comes back the quickest. Okay, so a couple of minutes later, the PDF crack is finished. It found the password, g0ld. John is still running. It doesn't. We did start John a couple of minutes after, maybe a minute after, 2 minutes after the PDF crack, but it doesn't seem to be much faster anyway. We'll see. Oh, there we go. And it came back g0ld as well. Okay, it definitely was quicker. It took 4 minutes 53. Does this one show how long it was elapsed? It doesn't. Okay, well, we've got the password anyway, who cares? Let's open up the PDF file. Unlock the document, and we get this remember me. So first thing here is there's a lot of space. I just want to see, yeah, okay. So sometimes whenever you have a lot of white space, if you just highlight over the page, you might see some text, which is, in this case the text is just really small, but sometimes the text will be in white and then you can just see it from highlighting. And even though it's really small, it looks to me like, let's just get the bottom bit. It looks to me like Morse code. Let's, we can zoom in on it. Yes, it is indeed. So let's take a copy of this Morse code and let's go to a Morse code translator, and we can just paste this into the translator and we get back our flag. Alright, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks.